Right now, we're seeing a notable shift in finance sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.03 and a momentum of plus 0.69, indicating a subtle, but distinct positive trend. This is particularly interesting, because it's diverging from the historical baseline, suggesting that something specific is driving this uptick, perhaps emerging news or shifts in public perception. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment, packed with semantic clusters that can enhance your understanding of this trend. For instance, you could leverage this data to optimize your trading strategies by identifying sectors that are gaining traction based on the sentiment shift. If you want to dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.